Okay, so this box came in the mail today. Get out my razor knife. See what we have. Unboxing videos. Always fun. So, nice styrofoam, or actually expanded plastic, whatever, packing. What else we got in the box? Okay. So here we have the user manual, and this is a Bloom Plus quantum board light. 3-year warranty plus 30-day money-back guarantee. Here, it has a list of various boards they have, the quantum boards, except this is the BP-1000, and they list the BP-1000 as their smallest unit. And then on the back side, it says the BP-1000, it gives you the size, weight, wattage, etc. Planting suggestions, germination, hang 24 to 30 inches up, seedling 24 inches up, etc. Cautions. Small manual, but it's a light, you don't need a lot. So, next step is to take that off, and there we are. The Bloom Plus. It has infrared diodes, it has red diodes, it has warm white and cool white. Now, on one of the other ones that we're comparing, the Growtronics, these have slightly different temperatures on them. I believe these are 3000 K instead of 2700 K, and 6000 K instead of the Growtronics has 6400 K. These have 6000 K. The Growtronics have 2700 K, and I believe these are 2400 K. For the infrared and the far red, they're both 660 nanometers and 730 nanometers. So colors are very, very similar. Not exactly right. It's a nice small light board. You can see there is a slight, I believe it's silicone covering on here to help keep it moisture proof. Driver is there. About 6 feet of cable. There's your Bloom Plus specifications, model BP-1000, 110 to 130 volts, power draw 90 watts. So this will pull much less power than the Growtronics one that I showed earlier. And then of course just some recommendations. Heatsink is the aluminum board. Mounting holes. And basically, got one more little bag here. Nice little rope ratchets. These are becoming quite common. I like the fact that they have carabiners already attached, so you don't have to figure out some other. And then simple hanging hardware to clip into the corners. Not much to these guys. Basically all you do is clip them on. If I can get it to clip on, of course. Well now, let's try going the other way. There. That is not coming off. Same on this side. And there. Hang your rope ratchet on there. And that's it for unboxing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this. I'm going to hang it same as I did the other one, the Growtronics light bars. And I will take my measurements. Now I just do lux measurements rather than par. So that will be part of the next video. I'll hang it, let it run for a couple of hours, and then I'll take... Okay, here we have the specs from the BP-1000, the Bloom Plus. So the net weight is 2.45, almost 2.5 pounds. 90 watts draw. Coverage, veg 2x2, flour 1.5 by 1.5. The dB, 0 dB, that's your noise level. 110 to 130 volts input. So this pulls about 90 watts. And then its recommendations for your plants. Germinating is 24 to 30 inches. Seedlings about 24 inches. Veg is 18 to 24 inches. And bloom is 12 to 18 inches. So that's pretty standard. And of course, there's your cautions. So that is the Bloom Plus.